What's up everyone? My name is Dora and you're watching Creative Bath Lab. Today I'm going to show you how to make an amazing, simple, easy 2-ingredient body butter bar. It's awesome because it's a hard stick, but it melts as soon as it makes contact with skin. What makes it even better is that the butter absorbs into the skin immediately. It's amazing. Remember to check out the description for the recipe, important information, updates, the supply list, and more. You'll need murumuru butter, which is a hard, brittle butter, and raw coconut oil. This butter is perfect for bar or stick moisturizers because it's hard and it readily melts on skin. The coconut oil makes the bar softer and it also makes it melt more readily on skin. The fragrance oil is completely optional. I definitely recommend using a twist-up container, which will be linked in the description. Cure the bars for 24 hours. Stick or bar moisturizers are the best in my opinion. They're easy, convenient, and perfect for quick applications. I use self-tanner and it dries out my skin, especially on my legs, so this stuff really came in handy. I also love how precise it is. I can apply the exact amount exactly where I want it, and I'm not left rubbing a big blob all over until it's finally absorbed. Plus, and here's my favorite part, it doesn't leave a greasy residue afterwards. Alright guys, that's it. I hope that you enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time.